Welcome everybody to another video of Ancient Greece Reloaded. Today we will talk about the famous Amalthea's horn, also known as Cornucopia or Horn of Plenty. By the way, if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so stay tuned for upcoming videos. Amalthea is a figure in Greek mythology who appears during the story of the childhood of Zeus, for Amalthea was one of the cares of Zeus upon Crete, although whether Amalthea was a nymph or a she-goat is an often debated point. The Titan Lord Cronus was fearful of being overthrown by his own child, and so each time Rhea, his wife, gave birth, he would swallow the baby, imprisoning it within his stomach. 5 children, Hera, Hestia, Demeter, Poseidon and Hades, were those imprisoned, but when a 6th child, Zeus, was born, Rhea conspired with Gaia to have him spirited away to Crete. Cronus was subsequently tricked into swallowing a stone in the place of Zeus. Zeus was hidden away upon Mount Ida in the Idaean cave or upon Mount Dicte in the Dictean cave, but Rhea could not stay with her son, and so care was given over to Adrasteia, Ida and Amalthea. Adrasteia and Ida were nymph daughters of Melesius, the leader of the rustic gods known as the Curetes, but whether Amalthea was a third nymph or a god owned by Adrasteia and Ida is open to interpretation. If Amalthea is a nymph, then she is sometimes regarded as an Okeanid nymph, thus a daughter of Okeanos and Tethys, or alternatively, Amalthea is thought to be sister of Adrasteia and Ida, and therefore a daughter of Melesius. In some texts, another nymph, Amalthea, is spoken of, although it is generally assumed that this is just a different name for Amalthea. In the fabula it was Amalthea who hung the cradle of Zeus from a tree, so that it was neither part of the sky nor touching the ground, so that Cronus would not be aware of it. This would have proven a difficult task for a god, but equally many ancient sources do tell of Amalthea being the name of the she-god. The hiding of Zeus was also aided by Melesius and the other Curetes, for they would dance in their armor, drumming as they did so, hiding the sounds of the newborn Zeus. The goat, be it Amalthea or one owned by Amalthea, would suckle the baby Zeus, providing nourishment and allowing him to grow. The feeding of Zeus, though, was not without its dangers, for it was said that at one time, when Zeus was suckling on the goat, he broke off one of the goat's horns. This horn was later imbued with magical properties, providing it with whatever the owner wished for, and this horn was then known as the Horn of Plenty, or the Cornucopia. There were though alternate origin stories in Greek mythology for the Cornucopia. As a goat, Amalthea is also sometimes associated with the aegis of Zeus, the shield used by the god to protect him, for the god made use of the hide of the goat after he died. Others claim though that the shield of Zeus came from the skin of the Gorgon, a monstrous creature killed by Zeus at the start of the Titanomachy. Likewise, it is also said by different ancient sources that Amalthea as a goat was placed by Zeus amongst the stars, as the constellation Capra, but the king Capra is also said to be the representation of the Gorgon or Aix, the wife of the god Pan. Bottom line, if you ever get your hands on it, you are super rich. Let us finish with the following saying: the now is a sort of a middle thing. Aristotle. That being said, remember guys to hit the like button and to subscribe to our channel, it would help us a lot. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for upcoming videos.